So that means we've then got to start looking at other markets for your trade opportunities. And it's a trade that we've looked at before, and this is a trade that I've often talked about in the Bund, a block reversal type trade, particularly the second part of this trade. Now what we're going to be looking at here is how to get on the breakout to the upside. Our bias was to the upside anyway. Looking for a break of a wider range, which we'll come on to when I look at top play of the week in a moment. But your aim is for a break to the upside. And what we're looking for here is a break above 57.28, and that's then going to take you right the way up towards those recent highs up at 57.75. So that's going to be your main aim. That's what you're looking for, at least for the initial part of the trade. So around about 45 tick move. How do you get into that trade? Well, what we got here is this is your morning's trade. And we established a block here between 07 and 21. That's the boxed off area that I've got there. And that was your early attempt up in this phase in the morning. So what you're looking for is, now that we've come away from there, anyone who's got short here, trying to play a short from below 28s for a move down, is now going to be sitting on this trade thinking, okay, we're doing all right. It breaks down, it trades back to the block and stays lower. So if you're short here, you're thinking, yep, I'm feeling okay on this trade. As long as we stay out of this little range here, this market could well turn to the downside. And looking at the recent range, well, it's exactly the place you would want to be if you're playing this as a short from the top of range. Looks ideal to then play back down the recent range. Nice tight amount of risk, potentially for around about a 200 tick drop. But if you get back into this range, all of those shorts no longer have a valid trade, and that can create this quick move through. And so what you're looking at is you're using this block, any move back inside it, and this came just on the cash open. Any move back inside 57, 07s to 20s, 21s is going to be an opportunity for a long to break the 21s, 28s, and then take you straight the way up to those highs at 75. Didn't quite reach it and reached 60 to start with, or 61 to start with, before a pullback. And this is the bit that I've often talked about in the Bund, where you get a reversal of a move and then you get this pullback to give you a passive entry. So you got two bites of the cherry here. The move back into the block, as long as it wasn't trading through it, as long as you found some support there, you could even let this trade in and come back out and buy it as you exit. So keeping your entry above 21s, let it go in. Once you find the buying to bring it back out, that's where you can go for a second move, and this then the more steady move up to target 58.06s and potentially a further continuation to play that larger play of the week, which we'll go and have a look at now. So that's your technical setup for that. It's that block, it's the accumulation of short positions here, looking to play the move lower. As you move back into that area, those shorts no longer have a valid trade, and that creates the move further to the upside.